Okay, so say you have the situation where you have a Rails app that has a whole bunch of like stuff that isn't really editable. So the only way we can currently change this stuff is if I go in the back end and change the code. So no one else can do that, which is kind of a pain in the ass. So what I'm going to show you how to do is you can use Alchemy CMS. This is like a content management system, but what's cool about it is you can kind of shoehorn it into existing stuff. Now they don't really have a guide on how to do this, and I wasn't sure if it was possible, so I'm just gonna show you how I did it. So what you want to end up with is something where you can edit these things and you can edit this all inside your Alchemy. There we go. So this is like the Alchemy dashboard, and what I've done is I set up a page called home page. Now you set that up inside, oh boy, config Alchemy page layouts. So ignore these ones, but I made home page, which is unique because there's only one home page, and it has a large banner, benefits, and an article, and it can have more than one benefit, which is what this nestable thing means. And it auto generates. Oh, actually, I should take that out. That's annoying. I don't really want the article in there. So that sets up kind of like the structure of it. And then inside elements, I made an element. So an element is like a kind of thing that you'd have more than one of. So I said large banner is an element, which is this thing. This is an element, and an element then has an essence. So this is like a bit of text here, a bit of text here, and then video potentially as well. And then I made another element called a benefit, which is one of these, one of these, one of these, and then this goes here. So you set that up. Here's the benefit, homepage benefits. So they've got a headline, text, and a little icon. So that's the three things that they have. Like these are the original ones, 1, 2, 3 things. And then you've got to make views, Alchemy, elements, and page layouts. So I had to make a home page view. This is kind of, I'm only using it for the preview. So here, if you edit, this is editing the home page. This I need to make better. So I need to make this page a bit more like the home page. So that's a copy paste job for another day. But this is at least just dumping it on here so I can see what it looks like. And then here you can see I've got the benefit 1, benefit 2. I can create new benefits like this, and they go here. And then if I save that, new benefit, if I save this guy, he will appear here. Wow. So that's what we want. Now the tricky part is inside the controller. So home controller is the controller, the old controller that does this huge page here. So the changes you got to make, it still inherits the same thing, but you include these 4 Alchemy things. Step 1. I'll put that in the description. And then step 2 on the action where you're going to do Alchemy stuff to sort of splice it in. You got to do this load page, which comes from one of these. And I was just setting, I can't remember why I did this. So that gets it ready. And then this is all old code, so ignore. Then inside this one, so this is what renders for that index action. This is all old, but here at benefits, so this is this bit, instead of the old one where it actually had the defined thing, you put this render elements only benefit. And this is saying if on what Alchemy thinks is this page, this is the home page, if there's any, oh, that's the wrong one, sorry. Okay, this one. Oh, I closed it. Let me just log back in real quick. So I hooked up the admin controls to our very slow legacy admin controls on this link, which is where Alchemy is mounted. That isn't quite right yet. Okay, homepage, and I'll probably cut that out. All right, so we've got, yeah, these benefits, any of these that it sees here, it'll just render those in that one bit. Oh, it doesn't show it unless I'm logged out. But that's okay. So these get shown here. Only benefit, and how it knows how to show that is because inside Alchemy, views Alchemy, there's a benefit thing. And this is copy pasta from how to do it in the Alchemy wiki, but I also added the little bits of formatting that the original site used, and then this element view for the benefit. Here you're rendering the three things. I'm using Haml, but you can use ERB as well, it doesn't care. Like here, there's a normal one. So I've got another one of those for rendering the large banner at the top, which is this thing. And those. And then, so here, render only benefit. So I think it was in a different, hold on, home page, no. I think it was like a home layout, yeah. So in here, I had to do the same trick. So here, this home page thing gets set from that controller. This is pretty nasty, please don't judge me from that. So if homepage is set, then we know that it's Alchemy mode, otherwise this is what was originally there. So now it's like only render that large banner elements. So I guess it would put more than one. And this means when you're migrating to this, if it doesn't see this page, it'll just put the original stuff there. So that's kind of a bit more chill. And then when I make the when I put in the test edit, the new one, it kind of just takes over. Oh yeah, I logged out. Imagine this saved and changed this, it would also change this. but I logged out. I can't be bothered to log back in. Okay, I might try and make this into like an example without it being all intertangled with this huge web page, but hopefully you get the idea.